Welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ of water resource engineering in the topic of reservoir. So the first question, a dam reservoir which is not provided with gate controls on its spillway and other sluices is called option A detention dam, option B storage reservoir, option C retarding basin, option D flood control reservoir. So the correct answer is option C retarding basin. So next question, a dam reservoir catering to flood control, irrigation and water supply basically designed for the irrigation alone is a option A multipurpose reservoir, option B single purpose reservoir, option C distribution reservoir, option D retarding reservoir. So the correct answer is option B single purpose reservoir. So next question, which reservoir is also known as mitigation reservoir? Option A conservation reservoir, option B flood control reservoir, option C multipurpose dam, option D storage reservoir. So the correct answer is option B flood control reservoir. So next question, a reservoir having gates and walls installation at its spillway and its sluice outlets is option A storage reservoir, option B retarding basin, option C both storage and retarding reservoir, option D distribution reservoir. So the correct answer is option A storage reservoir. So next question, which reservoir is helpful in permitting the pumps or the water treatment plants to work at uniform rates? Option A storage reservoir, option B detention reservoir, option C multipurpose reservoir, option D distribution reservoir. So the correct answer is option D distribution reservoir. So next question, in which of the following reservoir the flood creased downstream can be better controlled and regulated properly? Option A distribution reservoir, option B multipurpose reservoir, option C storage reservoir, option D retarding reservoir. So the correct answer is option C storage reservoir. So next question, what are the type of flood control reservoirs? Option A multipurpose reservoir and single purpose reservoir, option B storage reservoir and retarding reservoirs, option C distribution reservoir and storage reservoir, option D distribution reservoir and multipurpose reservoir. So the correct answer is option B storage reservoir and retarding reservoirs. So next question, what is the most important physical characteristics of reservoir? Option A storage capacity, option B annual yield, option C average yield, option D reservoir water level. So the correct answer is option A storage capacity. So next question, which of the following method does not give more than 3% error in the determination of capacity of reservoir? Option A Prismoldal formula, option B trapezoidal formula, option C average formula, option D integrated formula. So the correct answer is option D integration formula. Next question, the surcharge storage in a dam reservoir is the volume of water stored. Option A between the maximum and minimum reservoir levels, option B between the minimum and normal reservoir levels, option C between normal and maximum reservoir levels, option D below the minimum pool level. So the correct answer is option C between normal and maximum reservoir levels. So next question, the useful storage in the dam reservoir is the volume of water stored. Option A between the minimum and maximum reservoir levels, option B between the minimum and normal reservoir levels, option C between normal and maximum reservoir levels, option D below the minimum pool level. So the correct answer is option B between the minimum and normal reservoir levels. So next question, the dead storage in the dam reservoir is the available volume of collection of silt and sedimentation between option A bed level of reservoir and minimum reservoir level, option B bed level of reservoir and the silt level in reservoir, option C bed level of reservoir and the normal pool level, option D above the minimum pool level. So the correct answer is option A bed level of reservoir and minimum reservoir level. So next question, bank storage in the dam reservoir, option A increase the compound reservoir capacity, option B decrease the computed reservoir capacity, option C sometimes increases and sometimes decreases the computer reservoir capacity, option D has no effect of computer reservoir capacity. So the correct answer is option A increase the compound reservoir capacity. So next question, the maximum level to which the water rise during the worst design flood is known as option A full reservoir level, option B maximum conservation level, option C minimum pool level, option D surcharge storage. So the correct answer is option A full reservoir level. So next question, Which of the following formula can be used to determine the storage when three consecutive sectors at equal height are taken? Option A, Prismoidal formula. Option B, trapezoidal method. Option C, average formula. Option D, integration method. So the correct answer is option A, Prismoidal formula. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.